Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This is day 16 of JavaScript 30 challenge. In this video, we are going to do something weird and something funny. So what we are going to make today is a shadow moving animation. This shadow is moving with our mouse move. So let's do it. So we have our starter code here. So in our starter code we have a div container which has class hero, and inside our div container we have an heading 1 tag, h1 tag. So at first let's take the div container in our javascript code. I'm also taking the text, h1 text here. Let's check those. If I console log, you can see this is now working, right? Now what we have to do is add an event listener to this div container. The event listener will be mouse move, and we will write an arrow function here. Sorry, that actually pass the event, and I'm going to console log the event. So whenever I'm moving my mouse, the event is registering. So let's now move to the main code. So actually need some value which is ops console log event dot offset with event dot offset x and event dot offset y. Let's check this value. So we actually getting some value based on our mouse move. Now what I have to do is take these two value in our x and y. I'm using destructuring offset x to x and offset y to y equal to event. So I have actually destructured the value. Let's actually make this small ledger and print those. As you can see, it is working. Now what I have to take is the width and height of the div container, basically the screen. So I'm actually taking offset width to width and offset height to height, and I will get it from our hero, which is our div container. Let's actually print those width and height. Okay, as you can see, it is actually printing here. Now there is a problem. The problem is, let me show you. So it is actually saying near 0 and 0 0 like this. So if you look at the console, then the position is now 0 and 17, but if I go left, then it becomes more than 100. It becomes almost 492 from 0, but this should not happen, right? So what was the problem? The problem is actually the event target. The event target when I am here in my cursor is here, the event target is our div container, which is hero class, and when I am here, the event target is basically our text. So how can we actually solve the problem? So I have to actually calculate the value from this corner. So what I will do is actually check the event target. Sorry, I will keep this and console log event dot target. So check the event target. As you can see, now the event target is h1. When I'm moving here, the event target is our div container. So how can we solve the problem? Let's add an if condition here. If our hero is not equal to event dot target, then just console log it here and change the x and y. So I will change the x equal to x plus our event dot target dot offset left. What offset left will give? Offset left will give the value from here to here, right? The left portion of the text, and we will change y with y equal to y plus event dot target dot offset top. It will give us the height of this text from top to the top portion of the text. Right now you can see the value is actually correct one. There is an error, that is assignment to constant variable. So what is the problem? The problem is here we have write it constant, make it let. Now check the value. Now it is working, so we are getting some correct value. Now what we have to do is actually add an walk variable that will actually indicate how much our shadow move from the text, right? So initially I'm writing 100, that means 100 pixel. So I'm mentioning it 100 for our initial value. Now what I have to do is do some calculation, right? So what it will go from x-axis and y-axis. So I'm giving here x work. Now I am writing here a calculation, that is x divided by width into work, and what I'm going to do is work divided by 2. Why work divided by 2? Because I want this to go 50 pixel from here and 50 pixel from here, right? Then for our y-axis we're going to do similar thing. Y work, this should be our y, this should be our height, everything will be similar. Now console comment this and console log these two value, x work and y work. Now you can see we can when I'm moving the mouse, it is going from actually minus 50 to plus 50, and also in our x-axis minus 50 to plus 50 the value. Now what I have to do is make this round. Let's check the value again. So it is going from minus 50 to plus 50. Okay, now I'm going to change the text shadow. So text dot style dot text shadow equal to, at first check with one value. The first value will be our x work pixel and y work pixel. Y work pixel, this should be 10. And now let's check. As you can see, with our mouse move, the animation is working. Now add some other shadow. I'm copying the same thing, but making it negative with multiplying -1, and make this blue. Also copy this, copy the same thing here, make this yellow and make this y work, x work. Copy this, make it negative, and change the color to green. Now you can check our animation. It is not working. Why it is not working? I think because of this. Yes, as you can see, it is working. So what I have to do is actually change the value of our work so that it can spread more. I'm giving it 500, so it should be 500 pixel, 200 pixel from x and y. Now you can see our animation is working. If I close the console, then this is our final output. With our mouse move, we can make an amazing animation with text shadow. So this was today's video. Everything I coded here will be in my GitHub repository. The GitHub repository link will be in my description below. If you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.